So this is going to be skimming the brake drums. You don't have to do this, you can just buy new ones if you're rich, but I'm not, so I'm just going to clean these up. These are real scabby. Don't want to take too much off. It's pretty close. You're never going to get 100% because it's old and rusty, but and I've got it going slow because you don't want something like that going a million miles an hour, because if it comes off it's going to do some damage. But I'm just going to give them a quick skim up, make them all nice and shiny, then these will be good to go again. I'll just prime the inside of it, mask the brake surface up and prime it. I've already primed the back plates, and then I've got to do the brake shoes, so that'll be in another video. But this one is just about skimming. Skimming. Let's get a brush and have a look. There's our first drum done. Just taking a little bit out of there. The shoe's still going. I'm going to reline those shoes so it'll have a brand new lot of meat on there, so the little tiny bit I've taken out will be fine. Anyway, that's all nice now. That drum is a good one. So while I've got the gap bed out of the lathe, because this is a gap bed lathe by the way, so you can drop a bit of the bed out to get big stuff in there, which I have anyway. So while I've got it out, I'll quickly do the other rim. I won't video that because you've already seen that one, haven't you? And do the other drum. And then they're ready to go and be painted as well, isn't it? So there you go. Skim your brake drums as well, can't you? Save yourself a few $100.